Most of the damage left behind by Superstorm Sandy has been cleaned up, but nearly 3 years later, the mental and emotional scars remain for those who lived through it and lost everything. As Fox 5's Linda Schmidt reports, a lot of Sandy survivors are actually suffering from post-traumatic stress.
Nearly 3 years after Superstorm Sandy, there are still visible signs of the damage in Staten Island and New Jersey. What is not visible is the emotional impact.
Even those that had only minor damage continue to have these mental health problems.
A new study conducted in part by NYU and Rutgers University found that more than 25% of people whose homes were damaged still experience some form of mental health distress, and 14% of them have experienced symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder. Dr. David Abramson is with NYU.
And they found themselves not having enough money for their mortgage, not having enough money for food, not having enough money for transportation, and all of a sudden these are problems that they hadn't really anticipated.
Dr. Abramson says children have been especially affected. They are 4 times as likely to feel sad or depressed and 3 times as likely to have difficulty sleeping compared to children whose homes were not damaged. The study also found that children get nervous and have anxiety every time it rains. Researchers say one surprising result is that children whose homes suffered major damage are doing better emotionally than children in homes with less damage.
When you have a house that has suffered only minor damage, it may not be possible for the parents to make all the repairs the way they could with a house that was structurally damaged and they put up a new house. And so you have the constant reminder of the storm, and it's in the kids' view all the time.
And Dr. Abramson also says a study like this, the results can help to persuade the federal government to continue funding mental health programs on both the state and the community levels. In Midland Beach, Staten Island, Linda Schmidt, Fox 5 News.
Rolling Stone magazine has been slapped with